Update. New car. What's up, guys? I'm in. Can you guys tell what car I'm in? You can hear 1JZ, right? So recently I sold JZX100 Chaser and I'm just taking it to the port right now. Dino's behind me. I'm dropping this car off at the port and going to pick up special guest. Guess who I'm going to pick up? I didn't film my new car yet. I sold the Chaser, you know what that means, buying another car, and I actually bought it already. Came across a really good deal, so I snagged it. Haven't showed you guys, but when I get back home tonight or tomorrow morning, I will show you guys what I got. And I think it is the best purchase yet. Successfully dropped off Chaser at the port, and I'm going to pick up my mom at the airport, but after that I'm going to pick up special guest. So stay tuned. Glad I safely dropped off Chaser. It's going to state, boat's leaving next week. It's so fast. I can get cars shipped out so quick. I sold the Chaser last week, received money, and less than a week I dropped it off at port, and next week it's gonna get boats leaving. It'll arrive to Long Beach in 2 weeks. So within a month, car will arrive in state. I hear all these importers or buyer complain about they can't ship cars or it's taking forever, but not me. Cars getting shipped out every month. Stay with us till we pick them up. Guess who's here? Hi.
What's up, bro?
What's up? Okay. I'll see you soon, Coco. I'll see you soon. I'll see you soon, Leah.
Bye. See you later.
So Josh is the only one coming to the house.
Yeah, we're gonna have a sleepover.
What are you coming here my house for?
I don't know. Hang out.
Hang out.
I'll pick up my car, dude. I need a car.
Yeah, he's going to pick up car, but Leah and kids are going back on the train. Is this third meal in Japan?
Third meal in Japan, dude.
We came to Vietnamese food. Vietnamese pho. Yeah, you can eat Vietnamese food in Japan too. It's pretty bomb.
Yeah.
Nothing different than Cali. Okay, today we're gonna move all these cars. My key back won't even shut. We're gonna get Josh's 34 out. Finally, after
Can I
3
wash it here?
Maybe. And Linda's here to help. Alright, let's go move this whole lot of cars. My yard, Josh's car's over there, way back in there. Gotta move a couple cars. But update, new car, S15, spec S 5-speed. So this is the new car I was talking about. Bone stock pretty much, except steering wheel. Yeah, let's take thumbnail here.
Yeah, but
I feel like you guys are messing with it.
No, but where does
And
it be?
it's like,
Oh, it's in here. Oh, look at that fat beetle bug thing. What is that? What are you? Is it alive? Is it alive? Oh, it's dead. Oh, it's dead. Ew. Locust? Is that what they're called? Locust? What? Oh, you stupid.
thought you were jumping.
It's not too bad, I guess.
Josh's car is so dirty. Let's washing it. Oh, that was like 2 hours of washing, but it's clean now. Josh gotta go home, go back to check out his new place. But now he lives in Japan now, so we'll be doing all the stuff together. So stay tuned. We'll show you guys all the Japan content. Yeah, hurry up. Time is up.
I know,
Time is
there we
up.
go. Yeah, send this clip to me. My phone died.
Okay.
I'm out of here. We're gonna see my new house that I'm trying to get. Thanks, Kota.
See you tomorrow.
See you guys soon. Bye, Nino. Thank you.
Hey, I'm disassembling this face, sending it to VR Wheels today. So this will be fully polished. Triple
plate chrome
plate chrome.
and gold hardware. I'll show you the secret. I got a plug on a center cut.
Oh yeah.
$100 for the set.
Oh yeah.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Okay, peace out. Josh didn't leave. He left, but he called me like 30 minutes after. Unfortunately, his alternator took a crap, so he barely made it to the gas station. And it's not like we have a truck and trailer, and you can't really rent tow truck right away. He could have called towing company, but it's gonna cost a lot. So I grabbed step wagon with towing rope, I guess. I'm going to tow his 34 back to my house. Mission. Bradley notes me for moral support. What a chance. I guess he has to stay at my house again. Alright, let's see how Josh doing. First day back on 34 and already took a shit on him. Alright, where is this fool? Where is this fool? Where is this fool? Where is this fool? Sleeping.
Dude, what? Why?
Why?
Why me?
Why you? Why now?
Windows stuck down and it just started raining.
Okay, let's tow you back. It's gonna be gnarly because traffic. Like if someone trying to pass us or like trying to get in between or like trying to switch a lane when it's busy.
Screwed.
So just trying our best not to get in an accident.
Okay.
Okay, this is the strap I brought. Boom.
Kota brought his jump rope. Dude, this thing looks crazy. We're gonna attempt to tow 40 minutes right now.
No, it's hour. Over hour.
With this freaking crap. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
This just snap. You didn't bring anything else?
No. Oh, I have a tie down.
Okay, let's do a tie down too, just in case. I don't need this thing snapping and I'm like, I don't even know, you know?
No, it's fine. Oh, this is tow strap. Okay. This is really stressful.
I think we should hook up tow strap, bro. It'll keep it tense, because this is gonna keep, over
Yeah.
time, it's just gonna snap.
No, this is actual towing strap. It looks sketchy, but it's, no, this is sketchier because they're hooked, so it comes. If it like it comes out.
Whatever you say, boss.
If it snaps, it snaps.
Yeah, I get to sleep over your house again.
You did something. You broke your car on purpose.
Yeah, I did. Actually, just unplugged the alternator. It works, but
I'm nervous. Look at how busy the street is.
you're driving this.
No, pray for us. I don't want to get in an accident.
Little update. I need my windshield wipers for one. My window's still stuck open. It's starting to rain harder. We're 45 minutes in. I am exhausted.
This is so gnarly. Driving on tollgate, towing, and it's raining. So scary. We're almost home. This is crazy. It's so scary. And it's after 3 o'clock. Oh, there's quite a bit of traffic.
Yeah, that thing's legit.
Couple times.
That was kind of scary, bro. I couldn't see because the windshield fogged up and it was raining. No windshield wipers, and then it was pouring rain inside my car. And then like you can't get too close because I didn't want this thing dragging, and I didn't want it to break because it's dragging. Dude, it was gnarly. We did it though. Thanks, buddy. Thanks for letting me use your phone. You know.
so da.
There you go.
I thought your frame would be twisted.
You thought?
Yeah.
After that
There
walk?
are so many times I thought it was like already stretched and like
Yeah.
finally time has come. I need to rebuild this, so I gotta disassemble this motor like this. So I gotta get tools, take K-truck. Oh yeah? Let's go. Going to Astro product.
Astro World.
Yes sir, found the 8mm 12 point. I think this is the one to take off Blitz bolt. Thank you. Sponsored by Astro Product.
You wish, fool.
Alright, let's take it apart. And I got some goods.
Got some goods.
Drill.
Freaking drill all day, fool.
I'll drill you.
Okay. Okay, Randy.
Let's go. Alright, you're doing good. Good job.
Oh, I just stripped the last 3.
Shut up.
I thought I was breaking them, but they're just stripping.
Alright, finally face is coming off. Face is off. That's easy.
It's not that bad. Well, when you have like wheels like this, if you don't have to split them.
Well, if it was by myself, that would take me triple the time.
Yeah, dude, you can thank me.
That wasn't too bad. 100 bolts later, Blitz faces off the wheels. Sending this to VR wheels shortly and have them chrome plate it and build it.
17 by 15, right?
17 by 15? 17 by 17.
Like a square,
Yeah, a
literally
square.
17 by 17.
I still haven't decided if I'm gonna build 17 or step flip 18.
Same here. I don't know.
This guy just bought one too. You have what, 3, 4 set?
3 sets.
3 sets of
And
Blitz.
these, so now, yeah, I got 4 now.
Shut up. It's the first and last Blitz for me. Finally, this car is ready.
Show them my front, my new Canards.
Oh, he got this like what, 20 bucks? 40?
It's like 35 bucks.
Like 35 bucks Canard, random, no brand Canard. Came out pretty good.
Hope I don't break it on the way home.
Hope you guys watch this videos. What did you say I should say? My views are getting really low, so I think I'm gonna start posting some stuff that I think it's cool, not daily, everything, just big content. So tell me what you guys think.
I'll say that again. Probably heard.
Tell me what you guys think, and comment down below what content you guys want me to make. Well, I've been just making random, daily, but views aren't doing well. So, but we'll do some cool stuff. But I appreciate who do watch my videos and comments. Thank you guys.
Make good content.
We'll make a good content.
Make it good, bro.
Okay, drive safe. Hope your car makes home safely. Did you take your lug nuts?
No. Do I have to?
No. Oh, you got a new shift now.
Oh yeah, my big lug nut.
Oh, nice how you hold it.
Yeah. Okay, Randy.